Hello everyone, I am Prachivora of class 8A. I am describing about the wind, storm and cyclone. Do you know what is wind? When hot air rises and create a region of low pressure, cold air from neighboring high pressure areas move forward the low pressure areas. The horizontal movement of area is called wind. Anemometer. An anemometer is used by Indian meteorological the speed of wind. Wind vane. The instrument used for recording the direction from which wind is blown is called a wind vane. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is a disturbance in weather that consists of heavy rains, lightning, strong winds, dense clouds, etc. It occurs in hot, humid and tropical areas consisting of coastal regions. Precautions to be taken during a thunderstorm. Do not shelter under trees if you are in forest. Crouch down under a small tree. Do not lie on the ground. Do not take a shelter under an umbrella with a metallic end. Do not sit near a glass window and stay safe from the glass objects. A car or a bus is a safe place to take shelter. If you are in water, get quickly and go inside a building. Cyclone. A cyclone is a powerful spinning storm that contains strong winds and rain that swirl around a calm eye or a center. Cyclones from a warm, moist air rises over the water of the South Pacific and Indian Ocean, forming clouds and winds. When the wind speeds exceed 74 miles per hour, the storm exceeds 74 miles per hour, the storm becomes a cyclone. 1970 Bhola Cyclone. The 1970 Bhola cyclone was a devastating tropical cyclone that struck East Pakistan and India West Bengal on November 11, 1970. It remains the deadliest tropical cyclone ever recorded and one of the world's deadliest tropical cyclones. At least 5 lakh people lost their lives in this storm. Bhola was the sixth and strongest cyclone storm of the 1970 North Indian Ocean cyclone season. It started on 3 November 1970 and finished on 13 November 1970. Precaution of cyclone. First, water can be contaminated. Always drink in safe water. Second, do not touch the wet switches and fallen power line. Third, as soon as warning is sounded, secure your home well and move to the safe place. Fourth, cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. Role of the people. First, we should not ignore the warning issued by the meteorological department through radio, television, newspaper, etc. Second, avoid driving on road during disaster situation. Third, keep the phone numbers of all emergency services ready. Thanks for watching. If you are not seen my first presentation based on Maharashtra, please watch it and subscribe my channel Prachivora.